the diving service here. We're going to swim over to pile lake 15, which is the first one of the second boat lift in. We're not surveying the outside boat lift because the club wants it taken down. Let's take a look at pile 15. Pile lake 15 can just be wrapped. I'm going to go ahead and look at pile 16 since it's the same boat lift. Then we'll look at 17 and 18. Pile 16 behind me can just be wrapped. Let's look at pile 17. Pile like 17 behind me can just get pile tape. Let's look at pile 18.